Today we're looking at the 2024 GMC Terrain SLE in Ebony Twilight Metallic. This one is powered by a 1.5 liter turbo engine paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission. Let's go check it out. Inside you get these cloth interior seats with our power seat controls here at the bottom left. Inside you'll find our infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, our dual climate controls, shifter. You also get a USB-C and USB charge port with our aux port as well. Additional storage along the side, cup holders, heated seat controls, and our drive modes. Making our way along the interior here, if we take a look at the driver's side door, we do have our automatic power windows to go alongside our adjustable side mirror controls. By our handle, you get power locks, and of course down below you'll find our park brake and our automatic high beam controls. Moving along the steering wheel here on the right hand side, you'll find our voice recognition to go alongside our menu selector here in the middle. On the left hand side, you'll find our forward collision alert and our cruise control settings. To the right of the steering wheel, you'll find our push to start ignition, as well as this vehicle does come equipped with keyless entry. If you throw it into reverse, you'll see it does come equipped with a rear view camera. And last but not least, of course, the sunglass holder. In the back, you still get these cloth interior black seats, plenty of space and storage for anybody or anything. In the middle, you get two vents with their two USB charge ports, as well as your cup holders here along the middle. And these are retractable. You'll find the levers up top, just pull down to give you access to the back, no problem. Checking out the exterior here, of course, we do have our black grille with our GMC badge in the middle, LED headlights along the side, paint protection along the front. You'll find our black rims down below. Of course, up top, we have our adjustable side mirrors with blinkers integrated along the side, keyless entry handles, like I mentioned earlier, roof rails up top, tint in the rear window. If you make our way all the way to the back, you'll find our GMC blacked out badging. And if you open up the liftgate here, it'll come open automatically, no problem. Plenty of space and storage inside here as well, with additional hooks to strap in anything you might need, and additional storage down below as well. And that is our 2014 GMC Terrain SLE in an Ebony Twilight Metallic. If you have any questions or inquiries, please feel free to reach out to our sales team, as we're here to help with any questions you may have.